But when you're successful and you reach back and you pull people along with you, that says a lot. We want to award you this today in recognition. I want to read it so that everyone can hear it. Marjorie Del Toro, CEO of EHS International Incorporated. In recognition of your 25th year in business, we honor you and EHS International for providing essential safety training, which ultimately saves lives in the San Francisco workforce. Giving this to you on this day, November 4th, 2022. Together, we can, we will, and we must.